Hello and welcome to Accessibility's web module on ZoomText. It is a screen magnification and reading software tailored for individuals with low vision. We will be working with ZoomText Magnifier and Reader in this module. For your convenience, there is a closed captioning provided for this video. In addition, please find a transcript of the video below on the webpage. First, let's start ZoomText by selecting its desktop icon. You can also use the hotkey Ctrl-Alt-Shift-Z to open the program.
ZoomText enabled. ZoomText Magnifier Reader Home Manual. Zoom Level 1.
When you start ZoomText, its user interface appears on the screen. ZoomText can be operated by using its toolbars and keyboard command keys. Each toolbar provides icons and split button controls that allows you to toggle the features on and off,
Voice enabled. Voice disabled.
and open related settings. In addition, if you hover the mouse over an icon, it shows a short description about this particular feature and its hotkey. However, you should learn to use some command keys for frequently used features as it allows you to work faster in your applications. The first tab on the user interface is the ZoomText menu. This is where you can toggle the program on and off, open help file, save and load configurations, and configure command keys. For example, you can configure ZoomText to start automatically when Windows starts up. In the Program Preference dialog, select the Start ZoomText Automatically when Windows Starts option, and click OK. ZoomText automatically loads your custom settings if you have a custom default configuration. The main component of ZoomText is its magnifier features. This is the magnifier toolbar. Here, you can select the magnification level that is best for you. ZoomText provides magnification levels from 1 times to 60 times, and you can adjust the zoom level by clicking the up and down button on the spin box. A quick tip is using the favorite zoom level feature. It allows you to zoom in and out with the zoom levels of your choice. To enable this feature, in the Zoom Windows dialog, select the Magnification tab. In the Use these zoom levels combo box, choose Favorite zoom levels only. Check the levels that you want to use and click OK.
1. 1.6. 4. 6. 8. 10. 16. 24. 32. 42. 54. 60.
Next, you can choose a zoom window. You can think of a zoom window as a magnifying glass held in front of the screen. It can only display a portion of the screen, but any area of the screen can be viewed by scrolling the magnified contents. ZoomText supports the computer system with 1 or 2 monitors. Here are the different types of zoom windows.
Zoom window overlay. Zoom window lens. Zoom window line. Zoom window docked bottom. Zoom window docked top. Zoom window docked right. Zoom window docked left. Zoom window full.
ZoomText also provides screen enhancements that adjust color, contrast, and brightness to reduce glare and improve legibility. These features can make it easy to see and follow the mouse pointer and text cursor. It allows you to choose from preset schemes or create your own custom settings.
Color. Custom scheme checked. 2. Invert color. Scheme checked. 3. Yellow on black. Color. Normal scheme check. 1. Invert brightness. Color. Pointer. Scheme. 1. 2. Red with circle. Pointer. Pointer. Norm scheme checked. 1, 2, 3. Giant green. Pointer. Aims. Accessibility Information Management System. Word. Cursor. Scheme. 1 to 1. Blue wedge. Cursor. Cursor. Aims. Accessibility in blank. Scheme checked. 1, 3, 2. Green circle. Cursor. Aims, Accessibility Information Management System, Word. Focus. Scheme. Normal check scheme. 1. Red rectangle. Focus. 9, 10, 11, 12, 4, 16, 18, 20. Focus. No scheme checked. 1, 2. Thick green underline. Focus. 12. Just start typing here to bring features to your fingertips and get help. Tell me what you want to do. Edit box for access key press, Alt, Q.
Another main component of ZoomText is its reader features. In the voice section, open the setting dialog to select and customize the voice to fit your personal preference. In the voice tab, you can choose a voice and adjust how fast and loud the voice speaks. ZoomText also offers some premium voices that you can directly download and install from here. In the text processing tab, you can customize a reading style for how many numbers, punctuations, and mixed case words are spoken. In the hints tab, you can create audible cues for capital letters and hypertext links. In the echo section, you can choose how ZoomText speaks when you type on the keyboard and use the mouse. You can also choose the amount of information spoken about program controls when they become active. For example, you can choose to have individual keys, words, or both keys and words spoken.
Keyboard. Keyboard echo enabled for words. Keyboard. Document one word. Hello.
Type words are spoken upon completion when you type a space or punctuation character. The last section on the Reader toolbar is Reading Tools. App Reader is a tool that reads documents, web pages, and emails while you visually follow along or relax your eyes and listen. App Reader automatically reads the text from beginning to end or reads any selected areas. There are 3 reading modes.
Google Chrome list item. 8. Color enhancements enabled. Tooltip Future Tool About Accessibility Services link. 1. Color enhancements disabled. Windows ZoomText Magnifier Reader Home Manual. App Reader button for access key press, Alt, R, A. Tooltip app use app view checked for access key press, A.
The first mode is App View. It reads right in the source application. This mode is ideal for reading information on websites as you can skip over all the menu contents. Let's start App View.
Color enhancements enabled.
Press Enter or double-click on the word where you want to start or resume reading.
The mission of accessibility services is to ensure that all students with disabilities can freely and actively participate in all facets of university life.
To exit App Reader, right-click or press Escape.
Aims, Accessibility Information Management System list item. Window Aims, Accessibility Information Management System, Word.
The second mode is Text View.
Play button. Aims, Accessibility Information Management System. Every student registered with accessibility services will have their own Aims online service account.
Text View is perfect for users who require an enhanced visual reading environment. It reads in a separated window where text is reformatted for easier reading.
Settings button. Dialog box App Reader settings. Font combo box Calibri. Document colors.
You can select your choice of fonts, high contrast colors, word highlighting, and magnification levels. You can switch between App View and Text View by pressing the Tab key.
Aims, Accessibility Information Management System.
The third mode is Speak It Tool. It reads selected areas of the screen by clicking the mouse. Any text that is visible on the screen can be spoken, even if it is outside the active program.
App Reader, Speak It Tool. Close. File Explorer. Google Chrome. Save Ctrl+S. Clipboard. Document one word.
To exit, right-click or press Escape. ZoomText also provides helpful productivity tools on the Tools toolbar. For example, Background Reader allows you to copy and listen to any text while you do work on your computer. You simply select and copy the text you want to listen, then start ZoomText's Background Reader.
Accessibility services provides services and academic accommodations to students who have a documented learning, physical, sensory, mental health disability or medical condition.
This concludes our introduction to ZoomText. Should you have any questions or concerns about the ZoomText program, please contact us at 905-569-4699 or at access.utm@utoronto.ca. Thank you for reviewing the online ZoomText module for accessibility services at the University of Toronto, Mississauga.